An ornamental wall could be useful when needing to draw a balcony parapet. So let's see this by selecting the ornamental wall object from the drawing menu. Once the insert point is set with the first click, we can change the height and thickness in the properties pane. We can move in different directions to define the wall length and direction, and with a further click, fix its end point. The command is still active, so we can continue to place other walls too. And as we trace the wall, we can define a different alignment using the F5 and F6 function keys, whereas the length of the wall can be defined freely, but also from the keyboard. So once we've indicated the correct direction, simply enter its length. Of course, these features are very similar to those already described for the building envelope entity.